Hello everyone, this is class 9th exercise 4.4. Here we are going to solve the question number first and second. The question number first is give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. And the question number 2 is also based on the same pattern, that is give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 as an equation in one variables and in two variables. So let's solve this problem. So here if you see that the first question of first is y is equal to 3 as is an equation and you have to show it geometrically. Okay, and first condition is in one variable. Let's think about this. When this is in one variable, then we have only y and no x. When we have no x and we have only y, then this means that this is represented by x comma y is equal to 0 comma 3. Okay, because the value of y is nothing, sorry, the value of x is nothing, and here we can say that this is equal to 0. So in this case we have to go only on y-axis because there is no value of x-axis, and if you take a point as origin, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then -1 and -2 and so on, then the number represented by 0 comma -3 is this. This is your point, which is y is equal to 3. And also the second question is to represent y is equal to 3 in two variables. So if we think of two variables, then we have x comma y, and in x comma y you have already a number y, number 3 in the fixed value of y. Then we can choose many other options in place of x, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, anything, because we have two variables. So when we have two variables and we have liberty to choose the number x, then how will we show this on the Cartesian plane? Let me show you. Now the condition is this: we have a fixed value of y is equal to 3 and we can have many number of values of x. So let's assume a case of 1 comma 3. How will 1 comma 3 look like? 1 comma 3 is represented by this point, which is something like here. Okay, let us think of 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 will look like something this 2 comma 3. How will the number 3 comma 3 look like? The number 3 comma 3 will look like something this. How will 4 comma 3 look like? 4 comma 3 will be somewhere here. Are you getting the point? Where will be the number 5 comma 3? The number 5 comma 3 will be something here. And if we joined all the points, are you getting my point? If we joined all the points, then we have the line which is parallel to x-axis, and already we have discussed this in our previous lecture, previous class, previous video, that a number which is x is equal to 3 or y is equal to 3 is parallel to another axis, and that line is a straight line which is parallel to another line, and that line is that much unit distance from the opposite axis. If this is y is equal to 3, then this is always from 3 units distance from x axis. अगर कोई भी नंबर y is equal to 3 है तो ये गारंटी है कि वो x axis से 3 यूनिट्स के डिस्टेंस पे होगा. आप देख पा रहे हैं x axis से 1 यूनिट, 2 यूनिट एंड 3 यूनिट्स के डिस्टेंस पे है, और ये डिस्टेंस लगातार कायम रहेगा, चाहे वो x के पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में हो या फिर वो x के नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में हो, रहेगा तो वो 3 यूनिट्स ही। बस बात ये है कि अगर y की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है तो y के लिए वो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में चलेगा, अगर y की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो y के लिए वो डाउन साइड में नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में चलेगा। सो आई होप कि आप ये बातें समझ पा रहे होंगे। और इसके बाद जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है दैट इज 2x प्लस माइन इज इक्वल टू 0, इसे आपको रिप्रेजेंट करना था एज वन वेरिएबल। तो आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, x इज इक्वल टू होगा -9/2। और जैसे कि जब आप वन वेरिएबल के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे होते हैं तो आप क्या कर रहे होते हैं, एक एक्सिस ले रहे होंगे, x एक्सिस, ओके, एंड हियर you will be taking some points like this, okay. If we take this 0, this will become 1 2 3 4 5, this will become -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. We have to represent 9/2, that is equal to minus of 4.5. This will be somewhere here between 4 and 5 and in exactly in the middle of this. So this is our solution. So I hope you would have understand this. आप समझ पा रहे होंगे बातें। But the second case is if you have to represent 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 geometrically as two variables। बुक में आपको क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा, देख लीजिएगा। आपको ज्योमेट्रिकली रिप्रेजेंट करना हो एज टू वेरिएबल्स, तो आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे होंगे। तो इसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए आपको ये समझना जरूरी होगा कि व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग -4.5 ओके इन द प्लेस ऑफ x, तो उस कंडीशन में आप y के लिए बिल्कुल फ्री हैं, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं। तो जब कुछ भी ले सकते हैं तो 1 2 3 इन 3 पॉइंट्स पे लेके एक लाइन ड्रॉ कीजिएगा और देख के बताइएगा कहां पे आ रहा है। ये आज का आपका होमवर्क है। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर अटेंडिंग दिस।